Now, let's go on and sit comfortable. Relax. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, deep in and out. Breathe deep in and out. Breathe deep in and out. Relax. 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 Very, very relaxed. Feel the chair where you're sitting. Feel your feet. Feel your hands. With the eyes closed, become aware of your surroundings. Breathe in and breathe out. Deep breath in and out. Very, very relaxed. Imagine a bright light right at the top of your head, surrounding your head now, going down through your spine, relaxing every single muscle on the way. Very, very relaxed. This light is touching your face, your shoulder, your chest, your belly, your legs, your feet, your toes. This light is going down to the center of the earth. Now relax. Breathe in, deep in and out. Breathe deep in and out. One more time, very, very deep. Now, visualize the number 3, 3 times. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, visualize number 2, 3 times. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, very, very relaxed. Visualize number 1, 3 times. You are very deep now. Relax. Deep in. Very, very deep breath in and out. Through your nose, out to your mouth. Through your nose, out through your mouth. Relax. Relax. Now, we're gonna activate the sky horse to activate inspiration and networking. Every day and every way, I am creating my ideas into services and products to help humanity to grow. Every day and every way, I am independent, creating my destiny. Every day and every way, I am growing my mindset and growing my life. Every day and every way, I am opening channels to support other people and myself. Every day and every way, I am protected by others. Every day and every way, I am supported by great people. Every day and every way, I am connecting with people that have great hearts. Every day in every way, I am becoming independent and creating my life. Now, we're going to activate the fortune, inner power of the fortune. Every day in every way, I am one with abundance and fortune. Every day in every way, I am creating wonderful things. Every day in every way, I am fortunate being. Every day in every way, I am opening channels of abundance, prosperity, and creativity. Every day in every way, I am joy and fulfillment. Every day in every way, I am living on plentiful. Now we're going to activate the heavenly yin nobleman to activate support. Every day in every way, I am being supported. Every day in every way, I am believing in myself. Every day in every way, I am open to receive support from others. Every day in every way, I am accepting help. Every day in every way, I am cared for. Now we're going to activate one of the best Tai Chi noblemen to activate the wisdom. Every day in every way, I am a source of wisdom for others. Every day in every way, I am a spiritual guide to humanity. Every day in every way, I am connecting with my spiritual guides on earth. Every day in every way, I am connecting with spiritual mentors. Every day in every way, I am finding my inner light. Every day in every way, I am moving to spiritual ascension. Now we're gonna deactivate low vibrational energies from the flying chase and the great shock. Every day in every way, I am at peace. Every day in every way, I am attracting love. Every day in every way, I am supported. Every day in every way, I am aware of my surroundings. Every day in every way, I am joyful and happy. Every day in every way, I am surrounded by peace. Every day in every way, I am connecting with helpful people. Every day in every way, I am radiating love and light. Every day in every way, I am connecting with respectful people. Now we're gonna deactivate the earth door and the funeral door. Every day in every way, I am making healthy choices. Every day in every way, I am constantly healing. Every day in every way, I am protected by the light. Every day in every way, I am healing. Every day in every way, I am healed emotionally. Every day in every way, I am healed spiritually. Every day in every way, I am forgive and forgiven. Every day in every way, I am radiating health. Every day in every way, I am vibrantly and